can say that I've never had a bad day here.
It's a team concept.
I love my job.
We get to do all the fun stuff.
Everybody gets together and eventually we solve the problem.
I wouldn't have liked to have another job but this job right here.
Maintenance Services is responsible for all the process equipment maintenance for the Blue Plains treatment plant. Everyone that is here is really committed to doing their job, and maintenance is basically a support function. And in this case, we support the operation of the plant, and the primary reason for having the plant here is to protect the environment, meet our discharge permit requirements, and that's what everyone in this department is committed to.
We have several pump stations we go to. Anacostia Pump Station, which is new. We have Potomac Pump Station. We have Poplar Point, Bryant Street, 16th and Alaska. The Swirl facility that takes care of all the stormwater. We have a lot of pump stations that we have to maintain.
Basically, we do a different type of job daily tasks within the city. And to maintain the facilities throughout the plant and make sure the flow and sewage run properly.
It's always something different to do. Nothing ever dull around here.
Something's always breaking, so you got to be ready to go for the challenge that day and fix it and get it going again.
You know, we have fun at what we do, and we strive to give the best service unto the DC Water and Sewage Authority.
You know, when I first came here 30 years ago, you looked out at the water, you couldn't see down through the water. Now you can see all the way to the bottom. You know, it's a heck of an accomplishment this plant has done.
It has a great impact on the environment. You know, clean water, it's the best resource that we have is water. You know, not too many things can survive, you know. And to attest to that, you can look at areas that don't, you know, have, you know, quality drinking water and treated wastewater that have big issues. Our main goal is to provide the best of both worlds, you know, and you know, treating the water that we put back into the estuary for your fish and your wildlife. It's very important.
Was that number 3 was concerned the high pressure?
Number one, they got first-class, top-notch technicians, electrical and mechanical people.
Blue Plains is the most advanced wastewater treatment for the world, so I think I believe that will be the best.
This is the largest plant in the nation, and have a very critical equipment. And to maintain all this productivity and labor force and resources, this department is very critical to the organization, and we do a pretty good job, and we are proud to be here.
Blue Plains has always been a leader in the wastewater industry. A lot of our vendors, a lot of equipment representatives, they're very interested in partnering so they can say, "Oh, we have our equipment at Blue Plains," and you know, basically not just with the United States, but you know, around the world, people know Blue Plains.